Hello, I'm Emily SAAEN, one of the teachers here at Vox Singing Academy. I've been working in the industry for over 25 years and at Vox from 2016. Since then, I've helped multiple singers like yourself, from beginners to pros, build and maintain their voice. And I especially like working with pop, rock, theatre, R&B and all genres of metal. I really like singing jazz myself and a lot of Celtic music, and to this day I still tour and record with many projects all over the world. My primary focus is safety, consistent results in support of my singers' creativity. I work in Melbourne, on Monday and Wednesday in St Kilda, on Tuesday in Carnegie Studio, and Saturday here in Brunswick. And on Friday we're having fun with singers worldwide, singing online over Zoom or other app of your choice. Please contact our beautiful admin or book your lessons online. There's plenty of links down below, and I'm looking forward to singing with you soon.